Sinuzoom namin, sir. So, ngayon, sir, we can try. Do you want to choose one province, sir? Na pwede nating tingnan ang kanilang ginagawa. 11. Kung makapili kayo, sir, ng isang province. We are using only, sir, mga POC radios which are available on the market, commercial. May mga, ang maganda lang dito, sir, it has a SIM card, sir. It runs through the telecoms. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. PTT over cellular, radio over phone. Exactly, sir. Sir, can you choose one? Can you choose one province, sir? Not Davao City, sir. One province, sir. I would recommend, sir, another city, sir. Another province, not the city, sir. Any province, sir? Occidental is Power, Davao del Sur, Matrix, Davao del Norte, Thermal, De Oro, Giga, Oriental is Buffer. Yung medyo malayo-layo, sir. Medyo isolated ng konti na probinsya, sir. Any province, sir? Oriental. Oriental is Buffer. Jubilee, proceeding to Buffer. Oriental.
Buffer, ready.
Buffer. Buffer base, Kaiser 6. Buffer base, Kaiser 6.
Chair 6, this is Buffer, sir. Good morning.
Just for the record, Buffer, state your name and location.
Sir, in 11, sir, inyo POCK, in the 0, transmitting here. Dopo, PHQ, Barangay Daikan, City of Mati, over.
Tango, standby. So, sir, these are the patrol cars of Davao Oriental. Can you choose one, sir? Buffer, Oriental. Bigla naman tayong signang Zoom. Buffer. Open Zoom ang AnyDesk. Yan, open. Sige, sir. Can you choose one patrol car, sir? Sa ating... Yan, sir. Pwede kayong... Lahat ng mga patrol car niyan, sir. So, any patrol car in particular that you want to call? Natatawagan natin dito, sir, yan. Yes, sir. Saan, sir, ang tawagan natin? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Namamatay. Babagsak ang signal ng Oriental. Nagda-drop. Buffer, open Zoom signal. For the moment, we can also go to Occidental Power. Sige. Occidental Power. Nag-brown out. Sige lang. It's okay. Okay lang. Marami tayong gagawin dyan.